Look, the difference between looking like a retard or looking like a high cess dude, he's literally like, shoulders back, big smile, then talking and communicating. Does that make sense? Yeah. The only difference between being a fucking idiot, fucking loser peasant bitch, or being the guy at the table rolling bitches. It's that fun. That's what I keep talking about first day. Okay? So if you stood around this thing, like, oh, it's so much harder. Number one, because I'm not approaching everyone. Has anyone experienced flow state yet? You will today, for sure. Has anyone experienced like flow state, God mode this week? Yeah? So you know what that is? Like when you're in the zone, you're like, the bitches, right? Like when we were talking yesterday, we were cracking up. Like we're in full state. We're around on the bitches. Do you understand these still have communication issues? Right? If I can't hear you, we'll fix this. Don't worry, we'll fix it. But if I can't hear you, get a lid over here, and the fish louder than you, you think your girl's gonna suck her dick, or she's gonna look at you and be like, oh, he's not talking louder enough. He's a fucking beta male. Girls are fucking ruthless, dude. Girls are ruthless, bro. I am gonna be so, if you're gonna be him, I am being so closer to you than the Lord. Do you understand? In fact, it might not even seem like the girls are being rude to you because they've already disqualified. Does that make sense? Yes. Women are only gonna be rude to you when they want to fuck you. Like you chop a girl and she's like, oh, you're short. Is she actually calling you short, or what's she doing? She's testing me. She's testing me gangster, bro. She said, is this guy really the guy who treats with the bees? Really that well-dressed gentleman? Is he really this confident in treating himself to be? Tested with 8 times worth of fuck, and she's like, all right, I'm gonna fuck him. That makes sense. I have all these rules that I laid down, okay? All these rules. You might seem like, oh, well, Justin's just laying out these rules because he rules things in a certain way, or maybe because he wants to be the boss of it. It's because I want you to get results. I want you to break a dry spell. I want you to fuck twice as many women. Like, I actually want to see you guys get results. I want to see you guys make more money. I want to see you guys fuck more women. Because, 2 years from now, when you're, like, running for senator or some shit, or, like, you're an executive at some company, they're great. We can do some business. Yeah. Or I fly out to your fucking city, and I'm out there in, like, fucking Miami or New York or where the fuck you end up. I'm out there in Ottawa and become busy. You're flying site. Yeah, so like, fucking tell them to go pimp it, because I'll be there for one night, right? We'll go pimp it, we'll hang out, you know what I mean? Does that make sense? Yeah. And I can't hang out with fucking losers, because I'm coming out like I'm so the most. One thing I forgot to teach you guys yesterday is the concept of 1 + 1 = 11, okay? You guys see me try to set up the camera, like 10 minutes ago? Did I look like I knew what I was doing? Was I fumbling a little bit, right? When it goes polling in game club ports last night, it seemed like I know what I was doing? Yes or no? Like on point, right? Mm-hmm. Does it seem like Matt knows what he's doing, where he's doing content production? Yes or no? Yeah. On air. So this is a concept of 1 + 1 = 11. No. Game is so powerful, it can change the laws of the universe. Okay? 1 + 1 = 2. 1 + 1 = 11. Okay? Does that make sense? Because when me and Matt, side by side, and we're like, yo, let's make some shit happen, bro, it's like Avengers Assemble. You know what I mean? It's like, holy fuck, Autobots roll out. If it's me, Matt, my boy Luis, my buddy Clint, Michael pulling, Abe pulling, and we're all like, yo, bunch of great minds thinking together to make shit happen. Like, dude, 1 + 1 = 11. 1 + 1 + 1 = 1 equals like 1,000, 100, or does that make sense? We have the game of 1,000 men, like literally. You know what I'm saying?
Gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. My name is Justin Marc, international dating coach, relationship expert, and VIP lifestyle development coach. I've been teaching dating, soul skills, and Daygame for 10 years in 50 plus countries, 6 continents, to thousands of guys in person just like you. And I love teaching guys this stuff. So if you like this video, please make sure to do me a favor and leave a thumbs up on this video. I really do appreciate that. Now, if you want to follow me more closely, you can go ahead and follow me on my new Instagram, DrunkJustin2, and watch my daily Instagram stories where I'm always partying with hot girls, doing exclusive events, crazy shit on my daily Instagram stories. Make sure to follow me there. You can see me traveling around the world in real time, doing amazing things, and teaching guys like you in person every day on my Instagram. And you can message me on my Instagram as well. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram and message me there. And if you want to actually call me, you can call me at justinmarc.com. We'll do free consultation calls. You can actually call me and we'll do a free discovery call where we can get you on the right action plan to change your dating life and your social life at justinmarc.com. And if you guys want to dig deeper and watch more of our more exclusive content, go to wingmanpodcast.com and watch our Wingman Podcast on Spotify, Apple, and all platforms. And we'll see you guys very soon in a new video. My name is Justin Marc, and I'll talk to you very soon. Peace out.